Hey guys, Menace Fpv. Hope everybody's having a Merry Christmas Eve and everything's going well. It is the holiday season. What I have here today is I have a couple unboxings. These are going to be from my Fatshark Hd3s. And let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to take a look at here. Got some stuff from RDQ. We'll go ahead and take the stickers out and battery strap. And let's see here. Let's get in the box. And boom, there we go. This is a Diversity Foxeer Wildfire module that I ordered because I have a race band new wave 5.8 gigahertz, just a single band, and I don't really get that great of reception with these. So moving on, that's why we're here today. We got these Foxeer Wildfire, so let's get into it. Look at that, very nice. So now I will have diversity. It's a pretty color. So yeah, watched several reviews on this, and it seems to do pretty well. It's about 90 bucks. I got this from Race Day Quads. Yeah, let's see if it focuses. That's what it is. Okay. So put this back in. I'm going to install these off camera. Slide these over here. Okay. Now, the second thing we have is you can't have a diversity receiver without antennas, right? It's a Menace Fpv antennas. So anyhow, sorry I had to split the video, but yeah, these are right hand circular polarized, so let's get into them here. There we go. Okay, here we go. Jesus, how the hell you get this open? There we go. Look at that. So we've got a patch antenna. And then we have a lollipop style. SMA connector on there, so that'll go on the diversity module, the Foxeer Wildfire I just got. So I will fit them on there and come back and show y'all what it looks like. And there we go. I've got the new antennas on the goggles. Very nice. Now I have to get them out and try them out and see how good they work. Hopefully this fixes my reception problems with that I had with this, and go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.